Children, in today's video we are going to talk about capacity. Do you remember what capacity means? Let me remind you. Capacity is the amount that a container can hold inside it. Right, so what can we see over here? We have a big bucket and some cups. How many cups are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 cups. Right. I am also noticing that between the bucket and the cups, there is the equal sign. What could that be telling us? We know that when we see an equal sign, it means that what is on one side is equal to the other side. Therefore, it is in fact telling us that the water in one bucket is equal to the water in these 10 cups. So, knowing that, let's see what this task is all about. Okay, so it is asking us how many cups to fill one bucket. We know the answer to this already, as we already counted them, right? We know that to fill one bucket we need 10 cups, right? Why do you think we need 10 cups of water to fill just one bucket? Well, we need 10 cups because the bucket is much bigger than the cups, so it holds much more water. And that is why we need 10 cups to fill one bucket up. So, let's move on. Right, now we are asked to find out how many cups we would need to fill in 2 buckets. So, if we need 10 cups to fill up one bucket, how many would we need to fill 2? Children, here I want you to pause the video and think this through. You can either draw or use counters if you wish to represent the cup. See you in a bit. Right, children, this is how I thought it through. We know that we need 10 cups to fill up one bucket. So let's imagine that this 10 frame with the 10 buttons represent the 10 cups. So if I have another bucket, I would need another 10 cups, right? So that means that I need double the amount I had at the beginning. 10 and another 10, which gives me 20. So I need 20 cups to fill in 2 buckets. I hope you got the same answer, whether you used counters or drew them or even worked it out in your head. Right. Now, so what if we must fill 3 buckets? How many cups would we need? Think a bit. If I needed 10 cups for one bucket, 20 cups for 2 buckets, I need another 10 cups to fill in a 3rd bucket. Am I right? There we go. So, 10 plus 10 plus 10 would be 10, 20, 30. That means we would need 30 cups of water to fill 3 buckets. I wonder how many cups we would need to fill 4 buckets then. 10 cups per bucket, and we have 4 of them now. So that would be 10, 20, 30, 40. So we would need 40 cups to fill 4 buckets, right? So what are we noticing here? I noticed that there is a pattern. Did you realize that? Since each bucket holds 10 cups of water, we are adding on 10 more cups each time we need to fill up another bucket. So in reality, we are counting in tens. Children, in today's activity we learned about the meaning of capacity. We saw that in order to fill up a larger container, in this case a bucket, we had to use many smaller containers, since the bucket holds much more water than a cup. You can try this at home by, for example, exploring how many ice cream cups would you need to fill up a beach bucket. But if possible, carry out this activity outdoors so you do not make a mess inside. See you next time. Bye.